Alright, time to get to work. Click, click here, click, click there, maybe a click or clack or two over there. Yeah, employee of the month, here I come. Yo-ho, what up, man? Oh, what the flip now? What up, Wantler? My man, who's... My man. Jekyll, I will physically pay you money if you leave me alone right now. What's up, man? You working? You doing your job? You wouldn't want to be fired. Get off of me. Jekyll, I've never been more surprised in my life to the fact that you haven't been fired. I haven't been fired because I'm the employee's nephew. Oh, whoa, yeah, yeah. Go away! Alright, man, all you had to do was ask. I did ask. I asked several times. I say that every morning in the mirror. Alright, man, see you later. Ow, 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 I hit my nose. Ow, that really hurt. I've never hated a human more in life. Alright, well, click, click, clack, click, click, maybe a click here. Yep, I'm keeping these planets intact. Click, click, click. Name one person on Earth who is a better clicker than me. I'd like to hear it. Surprise, man, I see you. Ah, dear mercy, why? Why would you do that? I just wanted to check on you, see how you were doing. There could have been about 5 better ways to do that if that was your intention. That's it, I'm sick of you. I'm using my convenient magic. Yeah, convenient magic. Ah, it's so convenient for the plot. Oh my gosh, the wall socket is alive! The wall socket is alive! I repeat, we got a code yellow! Wait a minute, there's actually a code for that? No, of course there isn't, because this has never happened. And if it did, they wouldn't choose yellow. That doesn't represent wall sockets at all. Do something! I guess I could use my convenient magic. Schlippity dop. Is this a spell or a Norwegian gang member? Come on, man. See, look, now he disappeared. Wow. Well, I mean, it could have been worse, right? Nope, never mind. It could not have gone worse. Wow, looks like you're gonna be whittling it. I swear, Jekyll. Alright, fellas, you guys ready? Here we go. Coolest trick ever. It's gonna be like your last trick where you just ate your toenails. No, this is gonna be a cooler trick. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Ew. What the heck? Where am I? How am I alive? What is happening? How am I saying this? This is dumb. This is some Toy Story 4 level bullcrap that I do not care for. I just want to go back to being a wall socket. Maybe someone here knows where I am and how to get out of this stupid place. Yo, hey there. Do you know how to get out of here? Do you want to be best friends? Oh, gosh, that was the worst thing I could have said at that moment. Here, I'm just gonna restart this. I'm just gonna go. I don't understand what you... hey. Hi there, my name's Gilbert. What's your name? Be cool, Gilbert. Be cool. My name is... I don't really have a name. Were you just born? I don't know how to answer that, if I can be honest. I'm gonna call you... Wall Socket Joe. That's such a specific name. I read it from the sign. What sign? That one? Right there? Oh, yeah. Why is that there? I don't know, man, but I think it's pretty darn cool. Hey, do you know how to, leave? That I can, not be here ever again. Sure, yeah. I mean, I guess you could take the turtle. I really hope you're joking, but you're probably not. Nope, I'm not. It's right over there. Oh wow, that's not even a little bit of a problem. Do I pay it? Is it like a passion project of his, or? And also there's an 85% chance that he will eat you. Flipping, that would have been nice to mention. Oh well, I guess this was the decision that I made. I mean, I guess I took the gamble. I guess this is what I deserve. Goodbye, everyone. I took the gamble, and I guess I gambled wrong. 80-20, those were not good odds. This was a bad decision on my part, and yes... Hey, Gilbert, is that your name? Yes, that is what people call me. Little word of advice. If there's an 80% chance of death in an option, just don't say the option at all. Oh, alright, fair enough. I mean, I guess you could buy a teleportation crystal. This is a very long sigh. I don't even understand how he's doing that. Fine, what is it? Oh, it's right over there at that marketplace. Hello, hi, out of my way, get out of my way. There's no one here. I know, it's for dramatic effect. Hi there, welcome to my humble shop. I have mouths for eyes. I'm done, I'm not doing this character bit bullcrap. I want a crystal! Oh yeah, sure man, we got tons of crystals. Time crystals, balloon crystals, even the, illegal type of crystals. I'd wink if I didn't have mouths for eyes. Look, I just want a teleportation crystal. Hey, what did we talk about with please and thank you? We didn't talk about anything. That was never a thing that happened. Don't act like that was a thing that happened. Oh, teleportation crystals. Yeah, man, I got some over here. I have mouths for eyes. Why is that a thing he has to bring up in every sentence? Right over there, pals. Read it and weep. Read it and weep. I have mouths for eyes, okay? Oh, yeah, very beautiful. How much? That'll be 49 million dorp shingles. Wow, that's a lot, especially with inflation these days. What the flip is dorp shingles? Don't act like I know what dorp shingles are. Sorry, man, no dorps, no crystal. That's what my mom always used to tell me. In what situation would she tell you that? How do I get dorp shingles, or whatever they're called? I don't know, get a job, you freeloader? Ha ha ha! Mouths for eyes! I'm flying away. Goodbye, mortal realm. He's so majestic. Well, what do I do? Get a job? Did someone say get a job? That was like a... Oh my gosh, that was a 2-story fall. I can't believe I survived that, huh? Oh, that was not a good idea. Why did I do that? So did you say get a job? Yeah, why? Wait, you did? Huh, I've just been going up to random people all day and asking that. Look, Joe, between you and me, this looks like the kind of guy who would maybe replace the fire extinguisher with some spray cheese, if you know what I mean. I really don't. Hey. So, you need a job, right? I suppose so. Wait, no, I'm actually the owner of a bigwig restaurant, and I would be more than happy to, have you work there. Wow, really? How did you get over there? That's exactly where I work. I didn't even say the name of the restaurant. Also, no? I said that's exactly where I work. I don't understand what's... I said that's exactly where I work. Oh yeah, I almost forgot I hired you today. Where's your resume? You know what? You don't need one. You're hired. Come on, let's go then. Well, there it is, just right there. Wait a minute. Florp Burger is your restaurant? Well, there he is. Ain't she a beaut? I would marry that restaurant. Are we looking at the same thing right here? I can't be the only one who thinks that looks like an inflamed liver, right? You know, fun fact, that was actually my grandmother's nickname for me. Inflamed liver? No. Wow, it looks about the same amount of awful as the outside. Wow, this place looks just like my mom's house. Thanks, that wasn't what I was going for, but thanks anyway. I think it would be weird if that's what you were going for. Guys, check out this super cool rope you could cut. I'm not okay in any way at all. This place is an amazing restaurant. We serve sometimes to tens of people. Really, it's that good? Yep, best restaurant this side of that rock. Dang, that is such a cool rock. Ow, another thing hit me in the head. So, what's my job? You will be the drum roll, please, Gilbert. Drum, 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 drum. Not what I had in mind, but that works too, I guess. The cashier! Oh, isn't that just fantastic? I thought you'd be mildly lukewarm about it. That is his personality, after all. Hi there, welcome to Flort Burger. May I... Is he soap? Is he flipping soap? Hey, you know what we always say? Treat customers like they are valued items only used for cash. You want me to serve food to suave sour... Oh, hello there, sir. May I... That is uncomfortably close. Get away! Get away! Oh, mercy, what is he doing now? He's combusting! It's like Vietnam all over again! What, you were a war veteran? Hey guys, did you know that honey is actually made of bee vomit? Ah! Oh my gosh, he cracked. Quickly, bury him before he sues us. No, what the flip is wrong with you people? Is it... Ah! Why, hello there, boys and people, girls. Father, is that you? No, I'm not your flipping father. I am the evilness of Earth. This isn't Earth. Nope, sorry, you got the wrong place, man. Ah, well that sucks. Where am I supposed to spread my evil to mankind now? Oh well. Nah! How did we even get out here? Oh no, that's not good at all! My mortgages! Well, I'm gonna bounce, and that's just the start of it! Quickly, throw the cool rock at him! Yeah! Ow! Who here would like to see their worst nightmare? I kind of would. Shut up, you're not supposed to. Oh no, I've gone bankrupt and my wife is divorcing me. Oh, that is my worst fear. Wait, you have a wife? No, but I'm still scared that someone's gonna try to divorce me. What about you, my long-necked friend? I'm a rhino. Your biggest fear is rhinos? They don't make sense. I mean, they're leather triceratopses. It's flipping terrifying. And now it's time for you, guy who is a wall socket, which is kind of weird. I don't get it. Why is this not working? Because I don't care about anything. There's literally nothing for me to be afraid of. I'm gonna try the rock again. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Ah! No, I'm going back into my cocoon. No, this can't be happening. Oh, pilot! I get it, pilot. Person who flies an airplane, and it's the first step. Oh, pilot. That's very clever.
Remember the fun, remember the sun, remember that gang of mine. Yelling Mayor, sweet with the charms. Oh, what a grand old time.
Man, this sucks. I'm living on the streets. I don't have a job anymore. At least they let me keep the desk, on account of that it fused to my body. Hello? Why, hello there! I'm actually the owner of a company, and I would be glad to have you work there. Wow, really? What's your name? My name isn't important. I just wanted to say that I'm the new owner of Universe Corp. Hey, I just got fired from there. Oh, I probably shouldn't have told you that. No, but we're going in a new direction. Well, nothing to read into there. When do I start? Right now. Oh, we have big plans for the company, and I don't want anyone missing out on that. All right, sounds like a deal. Oh, big things are happening indeed.